G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Let me ask you a question. Is it worth selling your products on Amazon? Maybe you are selling physical products, physical goods right now on your store, maybe your website, maybe eBay, right? You might be wondering, man, is it even worth me putting stuff on Amazon? Isn't there fees? Isn't it time consuming? Don't I have to send my gear to Amazon? Don't they have to send it out for me and charge me a fortune, right? Well, today's video, guys, we're going to be looking at some of those costs and whether or not it is actually worth putting your products that you're selling right now or putting your brand onto Amazon in the first place. Let's discuss that and more in this video. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. So a couple of quick things. First of all, you can look at the retail price. What are you selling your product for? Because there are costs involved in setting and selling on Amazon. First of all, Amazon does take a 15% fee. They do, right? They're finding the customer for you. They're handling all the logistics. They're basically doing a lot of the advertising for you. So that's why they're taking a 15% cut out of your out of your product, right? It's kind of like the mafia. You want to sell down in Sicily, right? Guess what? You got to pay protection money. Amazon is the ultimate mafioso. All right. So pay your 15% fee. Then you got the FBA cost, right? So these are really the two fees you got to look at, right? That's pretty much it. The Amazon 15% fee, right, on every item you sell, plus every time you sell a product, they charge you a small fee. And this is because they're picking the order. They're packing the order. They're shipping it to your customer. They're paying for the postage, mind you, right? And they're handling the refunds, chargebacks. They handle all the admin stuff, right? If a customer says, "Where's my good?" 5 days later, guess what? They're not hassling you for it. They're hassling Amazon for it. And Amazon will have to track it for them, right? So is it worth paying? I think it is. It really does come down to what you want to do and whether or not you're charging enough for it. If you're selling a product for $3.95, you're going to probably not make much money, if any money at all, right? You'll probably go in negative. You'll be owing Amazon money, right, to sell your product, right? And keep that in mind. You probably won't own Amazon, but you just won't make any money, right? So there are costs of fulfilling a product on Amazon. Keep that in mind. What are the other costs, right? You are paying, especially in Australia, Amazon Australia, you are paying what we call a professional fee, where it's like roughly $50 a month for the ability to sell, the privilege to sell on Amazon. So they charge you a flat fee, $50 a month. You can list as many products on Amazon as you want. You can store your products in their warehouse and they'll ship it out to your customer. Now, if you don't want to do that, guess what? It's actually cheaper. Because you're fulfilling yourself, you're looking after the storage, you're looking after the shipping, you're looking after the returns. Amazon's not going to charge you for that. They're just going to charge you the $50 a month, flat fee, plus 15% on selling your product, all right? So they're the major costs involved in selling on Amazon. Is it much? Heck no. I've been involved in so many businesses, right? And guess what? The costs are pretty darn high. The costs are very high, in fact, at some of the businesses, right? If you own a retail store, you know that the costs are quite high. If you're doing any advertising at all, you know the costs are high. If you run a website, there are costs involved in running a website, right? Whereas at Amazon, you don't need to do any of that. You don't need a store. You don't need a physical shop front. You don't need to even have a website. You're using Amazon's warehouse for you, Amazon's website for you, right? So keep that in mind, guys. There are costs in running a business, and just be aware of that. Now, if you're looking for help, guys, I can actually help you get started on Amazon. I can help you find other products. Maybe if you're looking for other products to complement your niche, maybe you want to jump on new products, or maybe you just want to sell your existing stock. Maybe you're like, "Hey, Alex, listen, man, I'm happy with what I'm selling. I want to basically take my stock, put it on Amazon, grow my brand, right? I want to push it out more. I want to sell it in all the states. I want to sell it in the USA. Maybe I want to do advertising. Maybe I want to bring in another brand." Whatever your reason, right? Give us a call in the office at 02-8003-7534. Speak to one of our team members today, and we can guide you. We can show you how we work, what we do. We've worked with companies of 5 products all the way up to 500 products, even 1,000 products, right? We've actually listed products for our clients and launched them onto Amazon. If you're wanting to do that and more, give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. Numbers on the screen and numbers below this video. I would love to work with you. I would love to help you. And don't forget, we've actually got a free training at our website as well, amzproductlauncher.com. Don't forget the .au at the end, right? We are an Australian company, and I've been doing this now for 10 years, so I've been around the block a few times. I basically know how to run a business. I know what needs to be done in terms of launching a product on Amazon. I would love to work with you guys. Give us a call. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.